Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm your friend Insect. So first in first, today I'm going to introduce you a few tools that you can use to increase your productivity under the Linux. Well, the first tools that I'm going to introduce you is FZF. So actually what you need to do is to run the two line of code under your terminal. And after that, you would be able to, let's say, first you go to your terminal, then you press the Ctrl and R. Okay, let me do this again. Now, if you press Ctrl and R, you would say a bunch of history record, and you can do a search. For example, you could say git clone, or you could say vin. For example, you give it another LAN Johnson. So as you can say, it would automatically do a search for you no matter what you give it, and it will only display the corresponding history command for you. So this is very important. If you can even do a search up and down to whatever commands you like, so it will help you anyway, as I think it is very useful. Then another tool is called tmux. Okay, how can you install it? You use this command, and after that, let me say let us just go into the shortcuts. Okay, how do you use it? First, let's say you type in tmux, you get into a window. Then, if you first press the Ctrl and B, then you press the, let's say, this symbol here. If you press this symbol, it will split your window horizontally. And if you press this symbol after the Ctrl B, you would be able to split your window vertically. Let's do that also. Let's say Ctrl B with that symbol. Now you got three different windows, and you can use Ctrl B with your arrow key to move around, do some working. And then how can you exact it? How can you create this kind of window? You use Ctrl B with D to detach the session, but leaving it running. Let's do it. Ctrl B with D, and as you can see, this session has detached. But trust me, you can always go into it from anywhere you like. For example, here we say tmux attach T with 0, which is the first session that you have opened. Here you can say this is the LAN. Then if I hit the enter button, as you can see, we actually got back to the previous session that we had. We got three windows. Okay, you may still do not know what I'm talking about. Let's do this. tmux new session S with a LAN. Let's say I'll just give it a LAN of Python or py. So now this session has a LAN of py, and I can actually run the Python inside of it. And here I'm gonna let's say print out my LAN. Okay, then I'll press the Ctrl B with D to detach it. Then after that, I'm gonna say tmux attach T py. For this time, we would be able to go back to the previous process that we have, and it is amazing. And I even could tell you that it works with SSH. So when you go to your server, you do the operations that I did here, and you exec that server. When you get it back, you would still have your program running under the tmux. So it is very useful, as I think. Alright, enough this tool. Let's go to the next one. Nerdtree. Well, this is a plugin for the VIN. The installation is a little bit tricky, but you can always go to his link and do a check about how can you install it. But now I'll just show you how can you use it. First, let me just go some. Here we go. This is my folder. From here, I'm going to go to a file. Then as you can see here, we got nothing. But if we press the Ctrl with T means the tree, we would say a window like this. From this window, we can see all of our fields, and we can switch around. When we can go basically whatever fields we like, and we can do some editing if we feel okay. We don't have to exact this VIN. We'll still be able to switch fields like this. So it's very, let's say, useful if you want to use VIN all the time. And the third one, the fuck can you install it? You use this command. So let's do that. Here we go. In the end of batch rc, we add a command like this. Okay, for now it's working. As you can see, at the first I did a wrong typing. Then I used the fuck command here, and after that I got the write command right in here, and I can click the enter key on my keyboard to actually run this command. So now it is useful only if we add this line of code under the bash rc. And the final tool for us is called tig. Well, this tool is meant for git. So how can we do that? We can say tig status, and after that we should say something like this. Or if we run it directly, we will see something like this. We can take a review on all those commands that I made. It is something like this. So it's very intuitive, if you ask me. We can use our keyboard to switch around and go back or something like that. Great. So this is today's video, and inside of this video we have talked about how can we increase our productivity under the Linux by using the following tools. And I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!